Today we are going to learn how to draw a door block elements in AutoCAD. And first of all, before you do that, you need to initiate if it's a new drawing, and then you have to set the units. And in this case, we are going to use units, millimeters. So you have to set your precision. In this case, I'll be using 2 decimal places. And then the units to scale inserted is millimeters. And then it's international. In this case, I'll be using international. Then you're good to go. Thereafter, you're also supposed to set the limits. On the type command, you need to type limits. It will bring you to that space of limits. Then you have to set your limits. On my lower left corner, I will put 0,0. And then on my upper right corner, I will put 10,000, 10,000, because I need a large space for me to do the drawing and everything, so that it will be easy for me to do the illustrations. And then after that, you need to do layer properties. And for you to do that, you have to check on the layer properties, click on the layer properties, insert new layers, and then inserting layers. In this case, I'm just going to show you how to insert layers. I'm going to insert doors, windows, and blocks. So as you can see, I'm inserting the layers, that is doors, and then I'm inserting the windows, and then lastly I'm going to insert the blocks. And then after finishing all those blocks, you also have to insert or change the color for it to be easier when you're doing the drawing, so that you don't have to confuse yourself or make any mistakes along the progress. So in this case, after you are done, change the colors, then remain on the prompt space. So I have to start drawing, choose the line element. First of all, I have to do a small block that is 50 millimeters by 200 millimeters. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. I'm just doing the normal drawing. Either way, you can use a polyline to do that. Then 900 millimeters. Then repeat the same block of 50 millimeters by 200 millimeters. Same way. And then after you are done drawing that, you are supposed to also draw the upper side, or the way the door shall be opening. So you also have to draw 50 millimeters, and then you draw 900 millimeters upwards, because the size of the door is 900, the width of the door. Then you draw 50 millimeters, and then you draw 900 millimeters, and then you're done. Then after that, you need to use the circle element of the tab, that is the circle center to radius. So in this case, I'm picking my center of the radius, since it's 900. Then I have to just project it up and ensure that all the sides are well and intact. Then after I'm done, I have to trim the remaining extra parts. Yeah, so just check through as I am doing that. So you have to trim the remaining parts using the trim element under modify. So click on trim the excess parts, or the parts that are unwanted. And there you are. You're almost having your door. It's actually so simple. You just need to be very, very cautious when you're doing it. Yeah. As you can see, I'm just like zooming out and zooming in for me to be sure of which part I'm trimming. Yeah, and you can see I have my door. So now you go to the blocks, change the color under the layer properties, insert, and then you have to give the name of the block. What is the block name that you are drawing? So in this case, it's 900 millimeter width door. That's why I'm giving it that name. And then you have to pick the point. In this case, I'm picking the right part, the lower right part, and then you have to select the whole object. And there you are. You have your block. So in this case, you can actually like move it depending on where you want to place it. And also, besides that, you can also make copies of the same. Just go to the modify element, or you have to select first of all the entire object. Go to the modify element under copy, and then like you can make copies of the same. Yeah, and also after you've done that, you can also like mirror it to have the same if you want to have double doors. Yeah, so as you can see, that's what I'm doing. I'm mirroring it. In this case, I'm not able to trim those some parts of the blocks because it's already an object. So I'll show you how to do it in the next video. Yes, so and that is how you have your block. So follow me for more of that. Then we will, with time, we are going to learn how to do a door, a window, and different shapes of doors as well, and other elements in there that can be used in AutoCAD. Yeah, similarly, you can also like uh, mirror it and have a different view based on how you want the door to be oriented.